Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing how to make a filter transition on TikTok. So these are a lot easier than you think. I actually love doing them now. So I really recommend you watch this video to the end and then try it. So also please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also click that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. So I think that's all I need to say before we get into it. So let's get started. So first you'll need to know how to screen record. So you just want to go into settings and then go down to control center, then customize controls, and then I've already got screen recording, but see those ones underneath, they're the ones you can add, and there should be screen record in there, and you press the plus and then go out. So that's the first bit. Yeah. Now for the TikTok. So this is one of my videos. So it's pretty cool. I like how it looks, so keep watching this video if you want to see how. Okay, now you press the music button and the video button, and then you're going to make sure the camera's turned the right way to you, and then you're going to press ×2, and you're going to press the timer with the 3. Okay, so now you're going to press start countdown, and then it'll go 3, 2, 1. Then you're just going to go normal. So no filters this time, you're just going to go like normal. Okay, so now you can watch the video. The first time I'm just showing you what it looked like, and then if you touch the screen and then you swipe across, so when you're on this page, if you swipe across, it should change the filters, so you're going to do that. Make sure it's on screen record. And then you're going to stop the screen record. So now all you have to do is post that video on TikTok. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys do this. And when I said the first part was done and then it was on to the second part, you needed to make sure that was on screen record straight away. And yeah, so I hope you guys do this. I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye! See you next time!